Welcome, my wonderful English learners, to day 3 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. I'm Niharika, and this is Insight English. I can't tell you how happy and proud I am that you've shown up today. Truly, the act of showing up is the hardest part, and you've done it. This shows that you care deeply about your growth and that you are committed to improving yourself. It shows that you're not ready to give up. And that, my friends, is something to celebrate. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being here once again. If you haven't yet completed day 2, don't worry at all. Simply pause this video and return after you've completed it. Every day of practice builds on the previous one, and every small step you take contributes to your progress. Remember, learning English is not a sprint, it's a journey. Now, let's talk about why we practice shadowing in English. Shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to train your mouth, ears, and brain to work together seamlessly in English, just like a native speaker. In simple terms, shadowing means that you listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it, trying to imitate the speaker's pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Let me clarify intonation for you. Intonation is the melody of a sentence, the way your voice rises and falls naturally. For instance, when you ask, "Are you ready?" your voice naturally rises at the end because it's a question. This musical quality of speech is what makes your English sound natural and expressive. Today, our focus will be on mastering this musicality in every sentence we practice. Learning English isn't just about memorizing words, it's about building confidence, expressing yourself, and believing in your own potential. Whether your goal is to pass IELTS or TOEFL, study abroad, travel, communicate with people, or advance in your career, this practice is designed to help you. Perhaps you want to speak confidently in meetings, share your ideas openly, or one day teach, write, or inspire others in English. But here's a key truth. Just listening is never enough. Even babies don't learn language by only listening, they speak, stumble, make mistakes, repeat, and gradually learn. That's exactly what we are doing here. Mistakes are not failures, they are proof of learning. So don't be shy. Don't hesitate. People are kind, and I am right here with you. Today, we will practice 15 sentences together. Here's how it will work. I'll say each sentence slowly and clearly. You listen carefully and repeat, trying to match my tone, rhythm, and flow. We'll repeat each sentence 3 times so you can really feel the language in your mouth. Watch the screen closely. Key words will be highlighted to guide you. All it takes is just 10 minutes a day to make a noticeable difference. Before we dive in, make yourself comfortable. Grab a cup of tea or coffee, perhaps a light snack, and if you like, have your notebook ready for notes. Take a deep breath. Settle into a calm, focused mindset. When you're ready, we'll begin. Together, let's speak, let's grow, and let's keep moving forward. I believe in myself, and I know I can speak English confidently. I believe in myself, and I know I can speak English confidently. I believe in myself, and I know I can speak English confidently. Every mistake I make is proof that I'm learning something new. Every mistake I make is proof that I'm learning something new. Every mistake I make is proof that I'm learning something new. I show up for myself because my future deserves it. I show up for myself because my future deserves it. I show up for myself because my future deserves it. Speaking fluently takes time, but I'm getting closer every single day. Speaking fluently takes time, but I'm getting closer every single day. Speaking fluently takes time, but I'm getting closer every single day. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to keep moving forward. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to keep moving forward. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep moving forward. I trust the process and enjoy learning something new today. I trust the process and enjoy learning something new today. I trust the process and enjoy learning something new today. I speak with courage, even when I feel nervous or unsure inside. It's natural to feel a little hesitation, but true growth comes from stepping forward despite that nervousness. So, speak boldly. Speak with heart. Speak knowing that each word you utter is a small victory. I speak with courage, even when I feel nervous inside. I speak with courage, even when I feel nervous inside. Don't give up. Every sentence you practice, every sound you repeat, strengthens your confidence and builds your English muscles. We are forming strong, lasting habits, one word at a time. I am building strong English habits one word at a time. I am building strong English habits one word at a time. This process may feel slow at times, but consistency is the secret. Each day, you're creating a foundation that will support you for years to come. Speak with joy, energy, and belief in yourself. Let your voice carry the enthusiasm you feel, even if your nerves try to slow you down. I speak with joy, energy, and full belief in myself. I speak with joy, energy, and full belief in myself. Every challenge you face is a stepping stone, helping you grow stronger and more confident. I welcome every challenge because it helps me grow stronger. I welcome every challenge because it helps me grow stronger. As we move to the final 5 sentences today, remember this: learning English is not just about memorizing words. It's about trusting your own voice, speaking freely, and connecting with the world around you. I learn faster when I speak aloud and trust my voice. I learn faster when I speak aloud and trust my voice. English is my bridge to new people, new places, and exciting ideas. English is my bridge to new people, places, and ideas. Your voice matters, it carries your thoughts, your personality, and your unique perspective. My voice matters, and I choose to use it with confidence. My voice matters, and I choose to use it with confidence. Every time you speak, you are sharing a piece of yourself with the world. The more you practice, the more comfortable and natural your speech will become. Speaking aloud is not only about pronunciation, it's about expressing your ideas, your feelings, and your imagination. Shadowing is our tool to help us sound more natural, speak more clearly, and truly feel the rhythm of English. I use shadowing to sound natural and speak more clearly. I hear the rhythm of English, and I'm learning to feel it. I hear the rhythm of English, and I'm learning to feel it. With each repetition, your mouth, ears, and mind learn to work together in harmony. It's like training a muscle, stronger, smoother, more precise with every practice. Wow, I am so proud of you. You've just completed 15 sentences of shadowing today. What an achievement. This journey is becoming more exciting with every session. Remember, you can pause, repeat, and practice at your own pace. That's the magic of shadowing. It's flexible, empowering, and entirely about your growth. Give yourself a small celebration, because what you're doing is truly special for your mind, your future, and yourself. Keep moving forward, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. That small effort adds up to big progress. I'm with you every step of the way, cheering you on. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Progress is. You can do this. I believe in you. Each word you speak is a building block, each sentence a step forward. Over time, these small efforts accumulate into real fluency, confidence, and joy in speaking. Keep your notebook handy if you like, mark sentences that challenge you, and revisit them with pride. Your growth in English is more than learning a language, it's expanding your world, opening doors, and discovering the power of your own voice. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you on day 4 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge.